You write Python every day. Print statements, logs, error messages, SQL strings. It works. Until it doesn't. Suddenly your code is full of plus, string, and format calls wrapped around everything. And here's the uncomfortable truth. Many Python developers use f-strings, but don't actually understand how powerful they are. They treat them as string concatenation with extra steps. In the next few minutes, let's understand Python f-strings properly and write cleaner, more expressive code. And if you enjoy learning Python tips like this, smash that like button, subscribe, and consider joining our membership for extra tutorials and perks. What is an f-string? Forget everything you think you know about formatting for a moment. An f-string is a string that executes Python expressions inside it. When Python sees an f before a string, it doesn't treat the contents as plain text. It evaluates whatever is inside the curly brackets at runtime and inserts the result into the string. Let's see some use cases. 1. Variable injection. This is what most people stop at. You have a variable. You want it in a string. No plus, no string, no guessing where spaces go. But this is just the entry point. 2. Inline expressions. This is where f-strings level up. Because f-strings evaluate expressions, you're not limited to variables. This expression runs inside the string. You can call functions. You can do logic. The string becomes a view layer for your logic, not a dumping ground for concatenation. 3. Multi-line f-strings. Now let's talk about where f-strings quietly destroy older approaches. Emails, logs, SQL queries, config files. Check out this SQL query. This is readable. This is maintainable. This looks like what it actually is. You're not stitching strings together, you're describing output. 4. Numbers. Formatting without math clutter. Most codebases are full of ugly number formatting logic. F-strings solve this cleanly. Decimal precision, thousands separators, percentages. No extra calculations, no helper functions. The formatting is where the output is defined, exactly where it belongs. 5. Visual layout and alignment. Console output done right. This is the most underrated feature. You can align text like a table without external libraries. Left, right, center. It's all declarative. Want visual separators? There you have it. You're no longer fighting spacing bugs. You're designing output. 6. Self-documenting debugging. One of the best Python features ever. Python 3.8 added this, and many people still don't use it. This is perfect for debugging. No more x value is strings. No mismatches. No lying logs. Your debug output stays correct forever. If you're finding this helpful, drop a super comment with your favorite Python trick. I love seeing your tips too. 7. Dates, times, and real formatting. Dates are painful without formatting, and f-strings make it very simple. No string format time clutter everywhere. The format lives in the output definition. 8. Object representation. Sometimes strings lie. Hidden spaces, new lines, tabs. Now you see what Python actually sees using the representation feature with f-strings. This is invaluable when debugging parsing issues. 9. Dynamic formatting. Yes, f-strings can nest. You can control formatting dynamically. User-controlled layouts, config-driven formatting, zero hacks. 10. Syntax gotchas. Small but important. Need literal braces? Do like this. Access dictionary keys? This is the way. Simple rules, predictable behavior. Here's the key takeaway. An f-string is executable Python inside a string. Once you internalize that, everything else makes sense. Cleaner code, fewer helper functions, more readable output, less formatting boilerplate. The next time you reach for plus or dot format, stop. Ask yourself, should this be an f-string? Most of the time, the answer is yes. If you want more in-depth Python guides, support the channel and join the membership for exclusive content. Every like, comment, and share helps us create more tutorials like this.